Hey Math 7 students, your con for this one is called sample spaces for compound events, meaning multiple things are going on, which you're kind of used to a certain extent. So first one we're doing here is I'm going to highlight it right there. Uh, you're going to make your own dish night. So it's called Make Your Own Dish Night at the Pasta Restaurant. You have 5 different types of pasta to choose from and 4 different types of sauces. Okay, we want to know which ones of these two diagrams give you all the possible outcomes. So let's look at diagram A. We know that we have 5 different pastas. Spaghetti's a pasta, bow ties are a pasta, meat sauce is not a pasta, ravioli is, macaroni is, but meat sauce is not. And let's see, a sauce, oh, and fettuccine is not a sauce. So unfortunately, because of the fettuccine and the meat sauce in the wrong spots, A does not work. So let's hope B does. We have spaghetti, bow ties, fettuccine, ravioli, and macaroni. All 5 of those are pastas. And then we have tomato sauce, cheese sauce, meat sauce, and then olive oil, which are all types of sauces. So in this case, only letter B gives us all of the different outcomes. Okay, let's do one more. Now we're going to make pizza. We're going from pasta to pizza. All right. So in our pizza shop, we get to make our own pizza. We have 3 different toppings to choose from and 2 different types of crust. Which of the diagrams give us, which of the diagrams will give us all the different types? Okay. So could we start with either, let's see, T is thin crust or deep dish. So let's see, we could do a thin crust. We could do that thin crust pizza with pepperoni, with cheese, or with mushrooms, or we could do the deep dish pizza with pepperoni, cheese, or mushrooms. Well, hey, letter A gives us all the options, so that's nice. See, letter B. Oh, this one is starting with the toppings. So here we've got pepperoni, and we could do pepperoni in a thin crust, or we could do pepperoni in a deep. We could do mushroom in a thin crust or a deep, or we could do cheese in a thin crust or a deep. Actually, that one works too. I mean, it doesn't matter. Most people, I don't know, do you choose your crust first or do you choose your toppings first? I don't think it really matters in a pizza place. So they both would work in this case. You're choosing all the answers that apply. Good luck. We'll see you at Google Hangouts. Bye bye.